Hey everyone, in this video, I'll take you through a beginner's guide to Deep AI. In order to do so, first off, here we are in Deep AI, and as you can see, we have a few options here to search through. So first off, Deep does offer an AI chatbot, and it has a very simple interface here. I mean, it's very straightforward here. So if you want to ask Deep a question, you can even click here where it says inspire me. And sure, why not? List the top 10 most popular American series of all times. We'll just hit start chatting. And you can see here now that Deep will begin to answer your questions. And then if you scroll down, you can copy the response. You can search the web for more information. You can ask Deep to summarize what it has said, or you can even delete the response entirely. We'll scroll down a little bit more here, and you can see that we can change this to genius mode. However, it does appear that this is behind a subscription wall. Let's go ahead and take a look at the subscriptions. For $4.99 a month, you can get full access to Deep Pro, and you can turn on genius mode. Here we can also rename this chat. So if you want to take note of your chats, track them, then you can put in a name here. And chat manager, we can delete this chat. We can delete all chat history. And let's see here, explore different AI chat modes. So here you can see that there are different modes we can use. AI text generator, AI drunk friend, why not? AI comedian, chat GPT alternative, AI proofreader, math AI, poem generator, storyteller, GPT chat, debate, translate, free chat GPT, AI relationship coach. Let's go ahead and just try AI comedian. Let's see what happens here. Okay, ask AI stand-up comedian to tell a funny joke. So let's go ahead and do that. Tell me a joke. Why not? Okay, here's a quick one. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. You know, that Scarecrow really had it all figured out, just standing there day in and day out, probably thinking, look at me, I'm not just a prop, I'm a life coach for crops. Get out there and grow, you lazy carrots. And honestly, if standing around doing nothing paid the bills, I'd be a millionaire by now. Okay, why not? That's an interesting response here. So that just gives you an idea of the different options you're going to find within the chatbot. We also have the image generator. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. And let's see here. So we have, let's just say a fantasy forest. And we've got the standard or the HD model. We have the Genius model. Of course, that's behind the Pro subscription. But let's go ahead and choose HD. Let's go ahead and select quality. We have speed or quality. We also have a variety of styles to choose from. And so this is pretty cool. We've got some interesting options here to choose from. I am curious if these are hidden behind the subscription. So let's go ahead and just choose one at random here. Let's see. Uh, Looking for something. Let's go ahead and go with this one. That looks kind of neat. Okay, so I'm not sure if that's just what we selected there, but let's go ahead and we'll say a fantasy forest. Got all that there. We've selected our style. Let's see here. Choose shape. Okay, so if we want to choose a different aspect ratio, we can do that. And then we can go ahead and click generate here. So we want to log in. Deep is asking us to log in order to use the function. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. And here now we can see that Deep is hard at work generating our image. So far, I am pretty impressed with what it offers as far as an image generator goes. I'm not sure exactly how many credit it allows you per day. I don't see anything anywhere that gives an indication. Let's see here. Um, No, it doesn't say anything specific about the amount of credits that it might use. So I might assume that it's ad based, considering that we have all these ads all over the place. Maybe that's how it is that they operate. As far as I can tell, it appears to be a free image generator. So that's pretty cool. And it looks like there are a lot of different styles here to choose from, a fair amount. So you can look through these at your leisure. If you're looking for an AI image generator without any restrictions, it seems like this might be the place to come. Let's go ahead and check out the AI video. And here we do have a video generator. We have the ability to create a video from a prompt, or we can do image. So let's go ahead and choose image, and let's go ahead and see if we can just select something here. Why don't we go ahead and we'll just do this one. There's an error generating your video. Okay, it could be that the aspect ratio, it's not liking that. So let's try something else. Okay, there we go. Nope, it didn't like that one either. So I've come across this before. Sometimes certain generators will demand a certain aspect ratio in order for it to work properly. So let's try this one. Let's see if this works. It's thinking about it here. Okay. Nope. So something's going on there. It's possible that it's because we need the Pro. Okay, so here we go. So it says $1 per video. And Pro includes 5 Genius Mode videos per month. Okay, so maybe if we turn off Pro mode, then we get the thing here. Okay, so now that we've turned that off, let's see if we can generate and see if it'll let us do that. And it seems to be hard at work generating our video. So let's go ahead and just let that fail. There we go. So that was actually really quick. And the results, kind of interesting. It's a little blurry, kind of dreamy, but really fast, and that gives you at least some idea of what you can expect from the video generation. So according to this, it says $1 per video. I'm assuming that's for Genius Mode. It doesn't say, let's see, it doesn't say anything specific here in regards to what the limitations are if you're not using Genius Mode. So perhaps we can assume that it is unlimited, but it looks like we only get a second of video generation. So it depends on what you're looking for. It depends on what you're using this for. Maybe that's good enough for you, but that gives you an idea of what to expect. Let's go ahead and try the music generator. Let's go ahead and do a mysterious jazz song, just because I am looking to use something like that. Let's go ahead and see. So we got different results here that other people have done. We'll go ahead and hit generate. We'll see here just how long it takes for Deep to respond. And it is taking a moment here, so let's just, oh, there we go. Okay, kind of cool. A little clangy. Maybe that's its idea of a mysterious jazz song. If we put something else in there, we might get some different results. But as far as everything that Deep offers, you get your chatbot, you get an image generator, you get AI video, you get a music generator, and it does appear that this is free. I'm not showing anything that indicates that there are restrictions. There is a higher quality mode for $5 a month. But from what I can tell, it does appear that this is perhaps ad supported. So that gives you an idea of what you can expect with Deep AI. And I would say that it's not too bad for what it offers. It's kind of simple, straightforward, but it's actually not a bad place to come if you're looking, I would say, primarily for the image generator. I think this might be a good place to come. But even the music generator, that wasn't too bad. It depends. I could probably try something else. But you can go ahead and check out Deep and play around, and we'll go ahead and leave it at that. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.